What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Bonk, which has pumped up just about 5% in the last 24 hours. However, over the last 24 to 48 hours it has taken a slight dip in value, as you guys can clearly see here. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to crash further or is it getting ready to pump back up in value? That's what we're going to be going through, looking at his prediction for the rest of December and also going into 2024. What can we expect from Bonk, and also can it essentially get rid of 1 0 next year, or even 2 zeros, heading to about 1 cent by the end of 2024, or even by mid next year as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Bonk, which is here in purple. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is still performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking quite skeptical. The blue line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what does this mean for Bonk? An overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday you should essentially be trading around its current price range. However, do expect both green and red candles in between. It's likely to drop down further and peak back up as well, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, just like what's happened over the last 12 hours. As you guys can see, it's taken a little bit of a dip, peaked back up in value, so on and so on. However, it has maintained its value of the value here in green. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking a little bit more positive. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 7 to 8 days. So towards the end of this week, Bonk should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, you guys may know that in my previous videos on Bonk, I did expect a price correction from the crypto, which is currently happening and is happening in the crypto market as well. We're seeing Bitcoin dropping down to $41,000, which has had a negative impact on the crypto market. And as you guys can clearly see on Bonk as well, I'm expecting this to carry on over the next couple of days, over the next 2 to 3 days, for the market to take a little bit of a dip before it peaks back up towards mid to end of the week. So overall, I am expecting an overall increase in value, but do expect a price correction in the crypto market to take place over the next couple of days before it peaks back up in value. But at the moment, I'm expecting it to recover and be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, not just for Bonk, but the crypto market in general. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we're looking quite steep, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and still looking quite steep as well. So again, this is not realistic due to the fact that it is looking very steep, but by Q1 of 2024, so February 2024, I'm expecting Bonk to have dropped back down in value. I've mentioned this in my previous updates and I still stick by that for now, unless obviously there's a major update or any news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Bonk, then of course these things will change. But at the moment, I'm still expecting for the crypto to drop back down below the purple value here, which is the SMA indicator, by February 2024. So dropping below essentially 0.00001 cents is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by Q1 of 2024. Reason is it is overvalued right now, and I am expecting it to, the price correction should take place. But for Bonk to be specific, guys, there is a major price correction that needs to take place due to the fact that over the last month itself, it has gone up over 700%, and over the last 2 months it's done at least about a huge 11 to 12,000%, which is absolutely crazy, and a price correction is coming very, very soon as well. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we can see, as I mentioned in my previous updates, I am expecting Bonk to drop below the black zone here, which is currently trading in at the moment. So I still stick by that as well, and by Q1 it should drop all the way back into the red zone is what my predictions are at the moment. But I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis if there are any changes to that. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped quite a bit, guys. 25% down in the last 24 hours, making it just under $600 million. Again, if you guys want to compare it to about 2 days ago, it was over $1.2 billion in trading, and before that it was nearly hitting about 2 billion. Let's have a look here. Yeah, $1.9 billion, and for it to drop to 600 million is quite of a major drop. But the reason is the value of Bonk has also dropped over the last couple of days, meaning people are holding back right now, waiting for it to either pump up or drop down further to invest and buy the dip. But because it's taken a slight dip, most people are just holding back, waiting for it to move upwards or downwards, hence why the trading volume has dropped down by 25%. So this is my take on Bonk, guys. For those of you asking, would I buy the crypto right now or would I sell it? Personally, I wouldn't buy it because this is overvalued. As I mentioned, I'm expecting it to drop all the way back down. That's a simple and brief reason as to why I wouldn't invest into it. And if I wasn't a profit right now, would I sell it? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't sell all of it. I would take about 40% out and keep the remaining 60% in for the long term going into 2024, 2025, meaning I've taken out some profit and I've also got some investment into Bonk as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.